Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Knowledge. This video is about 100 most valuable rare bird stamps of the world. Number 1 is USA 1858 2C black color semi-official carrier stamp. Then United States 1938 6C bald eagle vertical and horizontal pairs. Then Western Australia 1857 6P golden color imperforate stamp. Now this is China 1912 $5 overprinted and unwatermarked. Then Western Australia 1857 2P brown black swan roulated perforation. Western Australia 1857 6P black bronze swan roulated perforation. Now this is Taiwan 1950 $20 surcharge but not issued. Then China 1912 $2 tiger bean overprinted and unwatermarked. Then Taiwan 1950 $10 China Empire postage stamp surcharge but was not issued. Taiwan 1952 $50 stamp of China but without value. Now this is USA 1968 6C black and multicolored. In this vertical pairs and color omitted stamps values are given. Then Taiwan 1950 $5 whooper swan surcharge stamp. China 1912 $1 tiger bean stamp and it is also overprinted. Then USA 1934 $1 blue mallard inscribed stamp. Now this is Falkland Island 1933 5SG king penguin. Then Argentina 1930 1.80p Indian condor overprinted stamp. Now this is Colombia 1935 10p Indian condor International Olympic Games. Then Falkland Island 1929 1 pound Gentoo penguin and King George V. Then Japan 1875 45 cent northern goshawk and it is a definitive bird stamp. North Borneo 1943 2C overprinted vortex. Then Japan 1875 15 cent white wagtail. Now New Guinea 1931 1 pound Regiana bird of paradise. Then New Zealand 1907 1 SH Kia and Kaka. Then USA 1911 10C bald eagle registration stamp. Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania 1938 10SH grey crowned crane stamp. Now this one is Australia 1914 6P laughing kookaburra. Then Australia 1915 1S4D emu blue and King George V. Then Argentina 1930 3.60p Indian condor overprinted stamp. Then Angola 1951 50A rosy faced lovebird. Now next one is Andorra, France 1957 500 FR airmail stamp. Then Angola 1951 20A southern yellow-billed hornbill. Australia 1948 2 pound green standing bird with kangaroo stamp. 1953 3S great cormorant airmail stamp. Then Berlin 1948 5MK peace dove over unfettered hens. Then Japan 1950 59 yen green pheasant. Now this is 1825 3S common grain airmail stamp. Then Angola 1951 40A secretary bird stamp. Then Argentina 1931 3.60p Indian condor overprinted stamp. Then Australia 1932 1SH superb ladybird yellow green color stamp. Then Austria 1953 10S grey heron airmail stamp. Next is British Guiana 1945 $3 Vettel Chicana and King George VI. Now Cayman Island 1935 2SH red-footed booby and King George V. Then China 1949 $10 tundra swans over globe. Then Cook Island 1902 1SH white tern carmine definitive stamp. Now France 1947 500 FR European herring airmail stamp. Now this is Guatemala 1887 5C resplendent quetzal coat of arms stamp. Then Iceland 1930 10 or Gry Falcon 1000th anniversary of the Parliament. Now this is New South Wales 1903 2S6D superb ladybird stamp. Now this is Liechtenstein 1935 30 RP Western Osprey airmail stamp. Then Liechtenstein 1935 20 RP Golden Eagle airmail stamp. Now this is Nayo 1903 1x1 SIP Keka and Kia surcharge stamp. Now this is Newfoundland 1897 12C 400th anniversary of the discovery of Newfoundland. Now this is Libyan 1896 5C Great Argus Pheasant overprinted stamp. Then Italian Somaliland 1932 2.55L Somali ostrich. Then Italian East Africa 1938 5L airmail stamp. Now this is Andorra Spain 1929 20C bearded vulture express stamp. Now this is Ascension 1956 2S6T sooty turn stamp. Then Ascension 1963 1 pound red-footed booby definitive stamp. Then British Somaliland 1953 5SH Marshall Eagle stamp. Then British Virgin Island 1956 $2.40 brown pelican stamp. Cuba 1956 5P ivory billed woodpecker red color stamp. Now Lebanon 1946 Hunter Pia grey heron airmail stamp. Now this is Newfoundland 1933 5C airmail stamp. Now next is British Guiana 1954 $1 channel bill token stamp. Then Austria 1925 80G golden eagle airmail stamp. Italy 1945 25L barn swallow blue airmail stamp. Ecuador 1937 $2 Indian condor. Now next is Etutaki 1903 $1 Kia overprinted stamp. Now next bird stamp is Algeria 1949 200F white stock airmail stamp. Now this is Ascension 1934 1SH sooty turn definitive stamp. Now next is Austria 1950 2S black headed gull. Then Bolivia 1941 100 PS Indian condor airmail stamp. Then British Indian Ocean Territory 1971 3.50R white throat rail. Now this is British Solomon Island 1939 2S6T bird stamp. Then British Solomon Island 1965 10SH Solomon's Cockatoos stamp. Then Burma 1964 5K Green Peaful Burmese bird stamp. Now this is Central Africa 1960 500 FR African Fish Eagle stamp. Now this is British Indian Ocean Territory 1968 5R Great stamp. Then Bahrain 1966 200F Lanner Falcon stamp. Then Austria 1952 20S Golden Eagle Airmail stamp. Albania 1961 11L Little Egret stamp. Then Algeria 1957 15 plus 5 FR White Stock stamp. Now next is Cameroon 1962 200F Common Ostrich Airmail stamp. Now this is Burundi 1965 130F Lesser Flamingo Airmail stamp. Next is Burundi 1965 100 FR Grey Crowned Crane. Then Brazil 1968 20C Harpy Eagle stamp. Now this is Bermuda 1953 6T White Tail Tropic Bird stamp. Now this is Belgian Congo 1939 1 plus 1 FR stock stamp. Then Bahamas 1935 AT American Flamingo stamp. Now Elend 1987 1.70 MK Common Eider stamp. Then Abu Dhabi 1965 2R Lanner Falcon stamp. Then Afghanistan 1965 9A Himalayan Monal stamp. Albania 1962 16L Golden Eagle stamp. This is Elderney 1984 31P Jursein Curlew stamp. Then Andorra, France 1972 0.60 FR Golden Eagle stamp. Now Brazil 1968 50C Atlantic Royal Flycatcher stamp. Then Bulgaria 1959 ATST Common Cuckoo stamp. Now this is Burundi 1965 75 FR Marshall Eagle stamp. Then Cameroon 1953 15F African Sacred Ibis. Then Canada 1969 25C Hermit Thrush stamp. Then Bahamas 1938 8T American Flamingo stamp. Then Cambodia 1964 12R Grey Heron stamp. And this is Central Africa 1960 250 by 500 FR African Darter Airmail stamp. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.